So we're gonna be changing out my differential. Yes, look, dash still not put on, but check it, success. So let's go ahead and get on. Go ahead, my bike. Oh. So yeah, car's already inside. I'm about to just take off the ramps real quick and lift it up. And hopefully, well, it's kind of dark. Not really, but it's a little bit dark outside. So I'm starting this tomorrow. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Taking on the exhaust. I think I already cracked this, or I don't know if it looks like that, but yeah, it's an old ass car, so it is what it is. So for sure we gotta take out, let me get a little bit comfortable down here. Okay, so to take off the differential, you gotta take these bolts out right here from the axle. These are holding to the frame. Then these, but since I really want to change this exhaust, I'm gonna go ahead and just take it all out and order a new one, and I'll have another video for you guys about that. So yeah, let me get this done. All right, so this is my little rig setup. I'm about to go get the tools and get this going. Yeah. Ya nomás vamos a subirlo y quitarlo. Okay. Ya nomás darle vuelta. ¿Le doy? Me tengo que quemar, güey. Yeah, that shit's dark as hell. All right, so look, we finally took it out. See, so that I know of, all this inside here gets welded, and then on the other side also. But I gotta degrease all this shit. Won't be here for a while. All that right there. So I got my, well, this is for the next video, my parts cleaner and degreaser, and my lighter and my office chair. So yeah, let's get this going. So yep, basically I just turned it around right here. I kind of cleaned the other side, but it's still kind of greasy, so oh, this shit right now. Good thing I got another one. Yes sir, look what we got done today. I actually had to go get this welded from Heat Lightning. They're actually here local. I didn't even know that they were local here where I'm at, but dude, they are fire. Let me show you their shop real quick.
Yo, is that a Supra?
All right, so this is what I got. I started scuffing all this right here, started cleaning it up, and I started cleaning this up because it was hella dirty. And I ended up going to the store and I got my stuff. So let's get this diff back on once I move the bike and all my junk right here, because I was working on this. Stay tuned. This is for the next video. One of the videos. Yeah. Let's go. All right. Now we're down here. All I have to do is put the drive shaft on. And since this is already off, I don't know if you guys can see over there, I actually got to tightening my e-brake because it kind of sucks. And I paint this. But yeah, basically everything's on. I couldn't really record because it's pain in the ass to do it by yourself. And yeah, so it's almost done. And after this, hopefully I can get the car running. All right. So differential is put on, exhaust is put on. So yeah, watch the next video. You're gonna see this bad boy get put on.